Hello everyone, my name is Ying and my matrix number is 10DDT21F1062, and for today's videos, I'm going to identify 5 names of object controls from the toolbox tab and explain its functions. So first, this is the toolbox in Visual Studio. If you cannot find your toolbox, you can go View and press the toolbox or press Ctrl plus L line plus X. And there is 5 object controls inside the toolbox, which is label, text box, checkbox, combo box, and ratio button. And the first one is label. Label is allow you to have text that you don't want the users to change, such as a caption under a graphic. And this is the labels inside the toolbox. And the next one is text box. The text box is holds the text that the users can either enter or change. And here is the text box inside the toolbox. And the third one is checkbox. Checkbox is create a box that the users can easily choose to indicate if something is true or false, or to display multiple choice when the user can choose more than one. And here is the checkbox inside the toolbox. And the next is combo box. Combo box allow you to draw a combination list box and text box. The user can either choose an item from the list or enter a value in the text box. And the last one is radio button. And the radio button allows you to display multiple choices from which the users can choose only one. And here is the radio button. And this is the 5 object controls inside the toolbox and its functions. And now we're moving on to show how to create a new project. Okay, so for now, I'm going to show how to create a new project. So first, we open our Visual Studio and then we click create a new project. And now we change the language to Visual Basics. Then we found that the Windows Form apps, and then we click next. And here we put our project name, and then we click next. And this is the frameworks, and we click create. Here is the project that I created just now. So that's all for the create a new project. So for now, I'm going to show how to add the object control into the project and show how to run our applications. So first, we just drag the button into the frame and we put it, and also the label. Okay, so we can change the text inside the button and the properties here. Here, the text, we can change to click this. The text become click this, and then we can scroll down at the design here. We can change the name for the buttons. We can change to button btn click. So, and then here we can change the size for the buttons like 300 and wide and 100 tall. It will become bigger. And here is the properties for the buttons. And now we're moving on to the label. So here we have to change the auto size to false, so that we can resize the labels, or we can just drag the white point at the border there. We can just resize the labels. Resize is the same with the click buttons. And we also can change the name for the label. We can change to LBL name. This is our label's name. And here we can go to change the text inside the label also. Here, hello world. Okay, here, see the label is changed the name. And if you want to modify the code, then we have to double click the button. We double click it. When we double click the button, then we come here. So if I want to make something happen when I click the button, so I can set as LBL name dot to my name. This is my name. So here, then, and we can click this play button, or we can just press F5 to run our project. Here is our applications. So when I click the button, click this, so the label will be from hello world change to my name. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.